What is vidIQ? vidIQ is a powerful platform designed to help YouTube creators optimize and grow their channels. It offers tools and insights for keyword research and SEO, discover trending keywords, evaluate keyword scores, and improve your video titles, descriptions, and tags. AI-powered content ideas. Get personalized video ideas tailored to your channel niche. Analytics and performance tracking. Monitor real-time metrics like views, engagement, channel audits, view velocity, and competitor insights. Browser extension integration. The vidIQ extension vision overlays insights directly on YouTube, offering SEO scores, tag suggestions, performance breakdowns, and optimization tips within the YouTube interface. Available plans. A free version is available with essential features. Premium options like boost or coaching, unlock deeper analytics, trend alerts, AI coaching, one-on-one support, and more. In summary, vidIQ equips creators, whether beginners or seasoned, with data-driven tools to create smarter content, attract more views, and grow more efficiently. How to sign up for vidIQ. Here's how to get started with vidIQ. 1. Go to the sign up page. Visit vidIQ's homepage and click Sign up for free to begin. 2. Choose your sign-up method. Sign in with Google, recommended if you have a YouTube channel already. Or sign up using your email address and a password. 3. Email verification, if using email sign-up. If you sign up via email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from vidIQ. Click the verification link to confirm your account. 4. Connect your YouTube channel. After signing in with Google, you'll be prompted to connect your YouTube channel. This enables deeper analytics and recommendations. 5. Customize your experience. For more useful videos, kindly subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share.